We are on the left trailhead of lodge of Hoover Dam. You can see a lot of nice views here. I told you I want to go to the left to see, I will see the right side from the left. So I want to take you a little bit more further down. It's a lot of walking. We have a couple stuff you can go. You can see right here, the road is open. You want to go like this. We can go down there later on when we have time. I like to see the views from here. It's a good place to exercise also. Jogging, walking, exercising. How's your physical? I don't know. But that's the views here is unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Still on the left side. And I see how far it is. Yeah, I see something. Oh, the people going down there. Huh. I have to try that. I want to do that. And again, the views on the left side is unbelievable. Unbelievable right there. We're going up, down. I think you can, yeah, now I see something like the pebble here. You see the lake meet. Here we have better view. The other day was with the down there. If you see, I have the pictures and videos from there. This side is different side. I have another bench here. The views here is unbelievable.